Yo, first thing, you gotta get your body moving in the morning. Don't care if it's push-ups, jogging, yoga, or just stretching. Just get that blood pumping. Here's the truth. Mornings set the vibe for your entire day. You roll out of bed, sit around, scroll TikTok. Deadass, that's energy gone. But if you move, even 10 to 15 minutes, boom, you're awake, hype, and feeling like a boss before most dudes even brush their teeth. And it ain't just about looking good. This is mental game too. Your mood spikes, your energy shoots up, and your confidence, off the charts. People notice. You walk into a room differently. You feel unstoppable. I'll keep it real. Some mornings I just don't want to move. But then I remind myself, this is my first win of the day, and I get up. Deadass. That first win sets the tone. If you want to step up and level up in life, mornings are where it starts. Pro tip, put your workout clothes or sneakers right next to your bed. See it, do it, no excuses. That's how big bosses start their day. Next, let's talk about your mindset. Don't just scroll socials or hit the snooze button. Spend 5 to 10 minutes getting your head right. Grab a notebook, phone, or sticky notes. Write down 3 things you gotta crush today. Say it out loud. I'm capable. I'm disciplined. I'm in control. Visualize yourself handling challenges like a king. Walking into the room confident, talking with energy, taking action instead of reacting. Deadass. Most dudes drift through life reacting, scrolling, waiting for things to happen. You make it happen. You own it. Here's the kicker. Doing this daily mindset work rewires your brain. Confidence becomes second nature. You'll notice people actually treat you differently. Respect, attention, energy, it all comes naturally when your vibe is right. Pro tip, combine mindset work with morning movement. When your body is hyped and your mind is set, you're unstoppable from the jump. Even elite athletes, CEOs, and influencers use this daily. Visualization plus affirmations equals energy plus confidence on a whole new level. Third habit, fuel your body right. Water first thing in the morning. Don't even touch coffee yet. Hydration equals energy. Deadass. Breakfast, keep it solid and fire. Eggs, oats, yogurt, fruit, whatever gets you rolling. Skip the sugary junk. Sugar gives a 10-minute spike, then crashes your energy and mood. Why it matters. Energy equals confidence equals motivation. You can't act like a boss if your body feels weak or sluggish. When you consistently fuel yourself, right, your mind works better, your mood is higher, and your confidence skyrockets. Extra tip. Prep your breakfast the night before if mornings are hectic. Even 5 minutes of prep beats, running out the door starving, and low energy. Trust me, bro, this small habit changes your day. Yo, real talk. Most dudes skip this stuff and wonder why they feel low energy, zero motivation, and weak confidence. It ain't complicated. It's consistency that separates winners from the rest. Deadass, I tried these habits for a week straight. Mornings were tough at first, but by day 3, I felt different. Energy up, mindset sharp, confidence on point. People around me noticed. That's the power of building habits. Even if you start with just one habit, stick to it. Add the next one. By the end of the week, you're leveling up faster than you thought. Don't sleep on this. Stop making excuses, hop on it, and step your game up. Remember, confidence, energy, and motivation are built daily. No magic, no shortcuts. Just small wins every morning that add up. Start today, bro, own your life. No cap.